Hey guys, Juan Mazo here today, and I'd like to answer this question. Is dropshipping an actual good idea today? Reality is, yes, it is. It comes down to business versus brand though, right? In 2015, super easy to put a t-shirt on Facebook ads and make a ton of money from it. Today, not the case. Facebook is trying to protect its users. Why? Because people were really taking advantage of the fact that they can sell anything and kind of print money off of Facebook. But what really matters today is brands. Facebook prefers a brand. What's a brand? A brand is basically the personality behind a business, right? So you come in, whenever you think like McDonald's, Wendy's, Walmart, Target, whatever, those are brands that resonate within your head. You understand that when you walk into one of those places, you know what to expect, right? There's real brand power there. They have customer service centric people or not, right? Because those are a part of the brands. That's kind of the character behind the business. Now, with online businesses, you want to build a brand, you need to have a really good story. You need to figure out what your unique selling proposition is and what is the value that you're bringing people. Because at the end of the day, if you're just trying to sell a t-shirt, you're probably not going to make much money. But if you're giving people a reason to buy a t-shirt from you and compel them to stick with the brand and not just a t-shirt, that's where you really acquire a customer, and Facebook is going to love you because you're out here providing real value to people. You're not just trying to spam them to buy these useless trinkets and ugly t-shirts and blah, blah, blah. That stuff's done. You literally, in my opinion, you cannot run a business that is not customer centric and focused on their brand. If you are just out there running a business versus running a brand, chances are your business is going to fail. So understand that if you want to run a general store or a niche store, you need a brand around it, right? You can be like Amazon, you can be like Woot.com, or you can be more centralized and focused and niche down like any of the other businesses out there. But you need a brand. Without having brand awareness, you're not going to have a good time. That is basically all I have to say on that. And if you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. Send me PMs, DMs. Follow me on all my social media. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, like my videos. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Goodbye.